watching the beautiful sky so high, I always feel like jumping and touching it. And God also lives in the sky with clouds. I have not seen God, but I know He must resemble to one of us. I always wanted to ask God one question, that why you have done this to me? Why you have made me handicapped? When others will watch this film, they will ask you why you have taken me as a character for this film. And I will answer this why to all of you. Whenever my father used to take me for fair in the nearby area, I always used to look at the books with beautiful pictures. But I was unable to read anything written on it. I asked my father that I wanted to read and write, but very disappointingly, my father said, "How can you study, daughter? School is in town and you won't be able to go there. You won't be able to walk." Those words kept haunting me. All the dreams have gone in vain, and hence I always wanted to ask God, why you have done this to me? Time kept passing and I became older, but I was unable to read and write. I know, when you meet someone for the first time, you introduce yourself, and that's what I'm doing right now. My name is Phool Kumari and I'm 19 years old. Now I'm very happy girl because now I go to the school. Now it's time to go to school, so I will make a move, and if you want to come to my school, then please do come after me. Whenever you come to my school, always walk straight, otherwise you may fall, because the road to my school is not very good. This is my school and this is also a Tara Akshar Kendra. I always wanted to study and my dreams were fulfilled when I came to know of a Tara Akshar Kendra in my village.
चांदी का दरवाजा इसमें से निकला मेरा भैया राजा खाऊ खू खाए खे खाए खाओ खो।
This Tara Akshar Kendra is like a place of worship for me, because this is the first place where I first went to study, and this is the first place where I started reading and writing. I came here to study so that I can be known as learned person, and I need not have to depend on the other people, and whenever I go to meet my relatives in other villages, I can read the place name properly and nobody can make fool of me. After coming to this Tara Akshar Kendra and after starting to read and write, I always remain ahead of others. Although I am physically handicapped, but after becoming literate, I am not less than others, and my mother is proud of my achievements. But recently, I came to know that because of Tara Akshar, many more females and many handicapped girls like me has become literate, and they are also very happy by getting the new light of education in their life. Tara Akshar has enlightened thousands of females like me and has enabled their dreams to be fulfilled. Tara Akshar has helped us in becoming an example for others and has taught to carry forward in life. Today I feel self-motivated and I am self-dependent and confident to take any challenge, and today my parents don't say that you can't do this, but today they feel proud that I am their daughter. Today, after becoming literate, I had forgotten my physical disability. I have the confidence to touch the limits of the sky. I would like to say something for Tara Akshar, that keep making females self-dependent, keep the light of literacy burning, and keep on making everyone literate. Now I think that I have answered the why of yours, and now you must be aware of why I am the central character of this film. So, now what are you thinking? Do you want to come to a Tara Akshar Kendra with me? Let's go and study.
సృష్టించెను